Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put Indian currency symbol in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to put Indian currency symbol, select any cell. Go to the insert menu, select the symbol option. Now we can see here many symbol. Now I am select the Indian currency symbol. Find at first, then select this. The Indian currency symbol is rupee. Now I am find and select the rupee symbol. We can see here the rupee symbol. Now I am select insert, close the window. Then select the cell and increase the size. Now we can see we put Indian currency symbol rupee in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.